How to redeem Victoria's Secret gift card online. So if you want to redeem Victoria's Secret gift card online, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your browser, open up any browser that you're comfortable with, and you need to search for Victoria's Secret. And now you need to go with the website, which is www.victoriasecret.com. After opening, now you need to go and log into your account. So if you don't have an account, you can go with join and you can create an account. But if you already have an account, then you just need to simply go and log in. After logging in, scroll down and choose any item that you would like to buy. For example, I'll go with a fragrance mist. And now you need to go with add to bag. After that, go with checkout. And from the checkout, it will ask you for the payment methods. So you need to enter the payment method. Here you'll have continue to checkout option on the right side. So go with continue. And here you need to go and enter the payment method. So enter the payment method, your address. After entering all of your address, you need to scroll down. And here you will have gift options, right? So you can go and select any gift option that you're comfortable with. And then you can go with continue to payment. After going with continue to payment, it will take you to the redeem section where you will be able to enter the redeem code. So while the shipping method or while the payment method, you will have the redeem option. But before that, you won't be able to apply your redeem code. But after entering your payment methods and after entering your shipping address, you will have your redeem option. You will be able to redeem your code. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.